What is up guys, it's your old pal Simon from PianoPig.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a really useful voicing that you can use for dominant 13 chords. I was actually playing a gig the other day and we were playing Night Train, which is pretty much just 12-bar blues, and I was using this voicing so much. It just works so well, especially in blues-based songs, and it sounds something like this. And also, if you enjoyed this video, as well as all the other lessons and videos on my channel, then have a think about becoming a member of the PianoPig Academy, where I've got full structured courses, direct support from myself, and all sorts of other good stuff. You can find all the details over at PianoPig.com. So let's go learn this voicing. So we're going to start out by learning this voicing as an F dominant 13 chord, and maybe we'll put it into the context of a 12-bar blues later on. This is what the voicing looks like. So yeah, it's a nice big thick two-handed voicing, no messing around. In our left hand we've got this. And this alone, this is a really common rootless voicing for dominant chords that you'll see all the time in jazz. At the bottom, we've got the 7, then we have the 9, major third, and the 13th up at the top. And this is what provides a lot of the interesting harmony within this voicing, because in the right hand, we're just playing this. An F major triad in its first inversion. But put these together, and it fits like a dream. The perfect balance of thickness, extended harmony, spread. I mean, this voicing spans over 2 octaves. This E flat all the way up to this F. And if you want to get even more out of this, you can change the inversion of your left hand and put the 2 bottom notes up on the top. And then in your right hand, play the F major triad in its second inversion. And that gives you a whole new voicing. So to finish off, I just want to quickly go through the process of working this voicing out in a couple of different keys. Since we've done the first one as an F13, it makes sense to work out B flat 13 and C13. And that then gives you everything you need to start jamming out the 12-bar blues. So B flat dominant 13 first. A good trick to work out the left-hand part is to start with the major triad, and then move the top and bottom notes out by a whole step, and then add in the 9. That gives us the left-hand part. And for the right hand, we just need to play a B flat major triad in its first inversion. One more time for a C dominant. Left hand, start with a C major triad, take the outer notes out by a whole step, and add in the 9. Then we just need a C major triad in its first inversion. An important thing to remember with this voicing is that it's completely interchangeable with your standard dominant 7 chords. Anytime you see a dominant 7 written down in a lead sheet, you can whip out this awesome voicing. So now you have everything you need to use this in the context of a 12-bar blues and get jamming. So I hope you enjoyed this one and found it useful. Let me know in the comments how and where you're going to use this voicing. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.